Good morning, classmate. Good morning, teachers. Our topic for today is Jollibee food chain. Jollibee is popular fast food chain in the Philippines known for this chicken, jolly spaghetti, and peach mango pie. Founded in 1978 by Tony Tan Kak Chong, the brand has become a household name in the country and expanded globally with over 1 to 400 stores worldwide. Kani si Kuan, Tony Kak Chong is siya may Kuan leader or godfather sa Jollibee. Daghan na kani sila mga kuan branches like naabot na sila sa US, Canada, Africa, kuan sa worldwide na siya na kuan. Diri sa Philippines may pinaka main jud na nila na kuan. Pinaka main nila na store. Diri sa kuan sa Philippines is over 100 plus sa Philippines sa Mindanao de over 100 plus na sa Manila is over 200 food kapin de ang uban is kuan na lang siya branches nila sa laing nasod. Mora to, ma'am.
Jollibee market strategies. Target market. Jollibee's target market is predominantly families with young children, but it has expanded its reach to millennials and young adults. So ang target aning kuan ang target sa Jollibee kay ang mga bata kay kasagaran jud mga bata gyud hilig ani. Dili lang mga bata pati na mga millennials kana dili lang pud mga millennials kana pong uban nga mga kanang mga katigulangan. Unique selling proposition. Jollibee unique selling proposition is it focused on creating Langham's craft experience for its customers. So ang unique nga ang ginabaligya sa Jollibee nga kuan siya kanang unique siya kay which is Langham scrap. So branding and advertising. Jollibee branding and advertising efforts have been instrumental in its success. So ang kuan ang ginapaagi sa Jollibee ang gipaagi nila sa mga advertising which is katulang background music nga Jollibee so mao to siyang ilahang kuan. So ano to, thank you.
Does Jollibee marketing strategy captivates customer? Here we will delve deeper into the specific tactic that Jollibee employs to create an unique and memorable experience for each customer. Use of family-oriented message. The marketing plan of Jollibee often features families and enjoy meals together, emphasizing the importance of togetherness and quality time. This messaging resonates with the brand's target market, which value family above all else. Ang Jollibee manggod kay kanang no na kay na siya sa mga family ang makita gyud nimo dira sa Jollibee og mga on kay kuan jud kanang mga families or kay dira naapoy every nga makita nimo dira sa Jollibee nga dira sila mag-celebrate sa ila ang kuan kanang birthday celebration sa ilang or sila mga daughters or etc. Ang Jollibee manggod kay dira nimo makuha nimo ma-experience nimo ang imong bibi dira sa sulod sa Jollibee kay namang good sila plito kanang like nanang mga katong mascot nga Jollibee. Then nostalgic advertising. Jollibee advertising campaigns also evoke nostalgia, tapping into customer memories of childhood. Like mo to kung giingon tong dira gyud nimo makita ang mga bata nga malipay na manggod ang mga bata dira og makasulog sila Jollibee, maka-experience sila dira. Then this emotional connection helps build brand loyalty and encourage repeat business. Mong gituko din na sa Jollibee syempre ang tag-iya na sa Jollibee nagkuha na sila, nag-research gyud na sila kung unsa gyud angay nila kanang mahimo nga negosyo. Like nag-research na sila sa mga tao nga kanang kini magtukod ni kay like ganahan ang mga bata na dili ra pod ang mga bata ganahan dira like kita pod mga kuan mga batanon or mga families nato dayon ang Jollibee manggod ug musulod man gud ka dira. Mura lipay na kay ka ba nga nakasulod na ka dira kay syempre since ang mga bata man gud nangandoy man gud sila nga mosulod dira kay happy pill man gud kay na mga kanang Jollibee gud kay like kanang ilang mascot nga ilang gi kuan nga gi present ang Jollibee tsada kayo ila ang kuan dito ilang pag-deliver sa ila ang kanang negosyo. That's all. Incorporating local flavor, Jollibee marketing approach involves infusing local tastes into its menu, offering thereby enhancing their attractiveness to Filipino customer. Ang Jollibee di ay kita mga customer manggod, ganahan manggod kay ta na ila ang mga pagkaon nga ng mga fried chicken, like nga sa paginilang gikuan kanang mga spaghetti nana. Ganahan manggod kay mga Pilipino. Ang target dai sa Jollibee kita nga Pilipino. Dayo ay dili, no. Napaday target sa mga sa Jollibee sa ang kani manggong Jollibee kanang daghan naman gud kay ni kuan nga brands di ay na dito like sa like lain gawas or lain natong country daghan na sila pero ang Jollibee gyud daw kuno iyang pagkaon kay more on kuan kanang mga Pilipino Pinoy nga mga foods. Jollibee has become a beloved brand in the Philippines by catering to local tastes and preference. Celebrating Filipino culture. Jollibee advertising campaigns often showcase Filipino culture. Like, kato akong giingon ninyo nga, ang Jollibee daw ganang nag-showcase sila sa mga Pilipino nga culture. Then, nag-emphasize din sila sa brand's connection. Its home country, Jollibee has become cultural icon and source of national pride by celebrating Filipino traditional and values. Ang kuan day kuno ang Jollibee nagkuan sila nag-source sila sa mga sa Pilipino and traditional values muna ang Jollibee. Collaboration with popular brands. Jollibee has partnered with various popular brands such as Coca-Cola and Nestle to create innovative promotion and cross promotion. This collaboration have helped expand Jollibee reach and attract end customer. Ang Jollibee ay kay such as nagkuan siya sa Coca-Cola or Nestle. Then nag-create din sila for a cross for promotion. Then nag-collaboration din sila og kanang i-attract nila sa customer ba nga like kanang Coca-Cola or Nestle. Nana siya ba? That's all.
Limited time offer and promotion. Jollibee has frequently offer limited time menu items and promotion which is create a sense of urgency and encourage customer to visit the store. And Jollibee has limited lang and menu or food nga gina-offer nila even stop wala ka balon sa ingredients and gimmicks sa menu food or gi-serve kay wala level ang sakit once gina-prepare ang inana siya ka demand sa market. That's why halos tanan people are very interested to dine sa Jollibee kasi aside sa lamion ilang pagkaon kakaiba po ang lasa Filipino taste kayo. Second is expansion into the new market. By exposing into the unique selling proposition and the cultural relevance, Jollibee has the successful entered new countries and attracted customer from device background. Busa not only here in the Philippines, demand ang Jollibee. Even other country, Jollibee is very known worldwide. It's because the taste, especially the chicken joy, juicy and delicious. That's my favorite menu. And the third is e-commerce and digital marketing. Jollibee has embraced commerce and digital marketing to search wider audience and stay competitive in the fast-changing business landscape. It's the using the technology you can promote the business through boosting and of the Jollibee and online business. Now the worldwide, even the television, you can see there advertisement, promotion, enchanting the business and strategy to become more popular, encourage people the menus offer. Maong big help kayo ang online. Kay pa-promote advertisement kay halos tanan tao gagamit nag cellphone, internet, so inana ka fast ang spread and advertisement sa Jollibee. Mas mudako pa po nilang promotion using the internet or cellphone, tas mas mudako pag ilang sale and baura na. Thank you.
Customer loyalty programs. Jollibee's customer loyalty programs such as Jollibee Happy Plus card offer rewards and discounts to frequent customers, encouraging repeat business and brand loyalty. So, Jollibee offers a loyalty program called the Happy Plus card, which rewards frequent customer with points for every purchase. These points can be redeemed for discounts, free items, or cashback. By incentivizing customers to continue doing business with the brand, Jollibee is able to attract and retain customers, ultimately leading to increased revenue and a stronger customer base.
The following are the Jollibee retain customer loyalty. So, first is customer focus. Si diri sa customer focus, di put the customers at the cure, ensuring they constantly deliver on the promises of taste, value, and experience. They seek to understand and anticipate and cater to every customer needs while recognizing their responsibility to be actively involved in the betterment of community and environment. So, there is customer focus. Gi-focus jud nila kung para ganahan kay sila magbalik-balik tong mga customer nga ilahang namalit sa ilahang mga products. So, diri sa focus customer, ihatag jud nila kung unsa jud ang gi-promise nila nga taste, value nga ganahan mo balik jud ang customer. Mo na diha ang customer focus, nag-focus jud sila sa customer kung they have their responsibility para ganahan mo magbalik-balik ang ilahang customer. Second is spirit of family and fun. So, there is a spirit of family and fun. They contribute to a work environment that's warm, caring, and accepting, and employ a happy and positive attitude towards ourselves, people, and situation. They like to have some fun and enjoy the company of their teammates. Third is humanity, to listen and learn. They solicit and value feedback, acknowledge their mistake, ask question to rectify them, and take necessary step to develop their areas for improvement. So kung naa man gani na mga issues nga nahitabo sa Jollibee, naa siya mga negative feedback or kanang naay gi-feedback ang customer nga example nalain ang taste sa kanang Chicken Joy. So the Jollibee listen and learn. So naghatag din sila dayog kanang resolve dayog quickly nila ang ilahang problem para makuha nila ang loyalty sa ilahang customer. Next is integrity. They choose to do what is right all the time. Deliver commitments. Take accountability for results and speak their minds with objectivity, courage, and concern. Last is speed with excellence. They set challenging objectives and execute with urgently in quality.
They constantly seek to improve the way we do things and quickly adapt to change. So, speed with excellence, dapat ang Jollibee para ma-improve ilahang the way magkuan sila silahang service sa ilahang taste sa ilahang kaning baligya. So naa sila mga strategy nga gi-improve. Then they set their challenging objectives, and they quickly adapt to change it, or para makuha to nilang objectives po. It shows also the customer reviews. So mo ni amo ang nag-gather nga customer reviews na iduha ka person nga naghatag sila kanang feedback sa Jollibee. First, kay si Jason Kujaw. So naghatag siya feedback diri, and he said that their Sunday habit after church is to eat at Jollibee. Our all-time favorites are the famous Chicken Joy, Yum Burger, and Burger Stick. So ilang paborito is Chicken Joy, Yum Burger, and Burger Stick sa Jollibee. It is a joy to see that my kids are also enjoying our go-to fast food restaurant, and the taste did not change. So, ang feedback niya, positive feedback niya nga, maskit kapila nila dalon iyahang anak sa Jollibee. So, ang taste sa Jollibee, wa gihapon nagbago, lami gihapon siya. It is growing bigger as it being introduced across the globe. Truly, the Jollibee, bida ang saya. Jason Kojau said. Next is another who give reviews is Glendale Sumaya. So iya pong giingon diri nga kung naa the ambience of Jollibee is clean. She literally feel comfortable. And the service crew are well groomed. They are also organized as well as their services in a standard basis. Their foods are tasty yet very affordable. Kind crew are everywhere. They're willing to listen to the customer additional needs and wants. They all jolly in working amidst fast-paced environment. And he said, I love it so much. Worth it to eat at Jollibee indeed. So, diri sa customer reviews, gipakita kaayo kung unsa kalami ug unsa ka nindot ang ilahang service kung mukaon ka sa Jollibee. Labaw na sa mga bata kay hilig kaayo og mga Chicken Joy. So that would be all, and thank you for listening.